Okay, my name is Seyed, and I have a background in electrical engineering. So we are contributing in the X-ROTOR project in designing generators, and also in this step we are designing a rotary transformer in order to transfer power from the secondary rotor to the rotor, and also deliver it to the network.
Okay. And where did you study before? Where were you at?
Previously, I was a postdoc researcher in Italy, University of Strathclyde, and before that, I was a PhD student in Iran.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. You probably had a lot to talk about with Peter. And Reza, you can tell me a little bit about your past and what's led you to X-ROTOR.
Yes. My name is Reza, and I have PhD student. I have PhD degree in electrical engineering from Iran, and before this project, I was working in Iran in different projects. Mm-hmm. And my main interest and expertise is electrical machines design, and also I have experiences in power electronic and nonlinear control. And my contribution to this project is design of generator, and also the power electronic and interface to transfer power from generator to the grid.
Okay. Okay. So Sayed, can you tell me a little bit more about your specific role in X-ROTOR? Like, what is it you're specifically working on, and how that fits in with the rest of your team?
Here in this project, at first we designed two permanent magnet generators, and we decided several conditions considering the restrictions in dimensions and power rating. Then we focused on thermal analysis, and then we focused on power delivery. So we had to design a rotary transformer instead of getting rid of the slip rings and mechanical problems of that. Mm-hmm. And I'm mostly focused on power electronics, designing DAP converters, and I was using my background in power electronics there in this project.
Okay. And Reza, what yourself? You both work on the generators. Is that pretty much right? Okay.
Yes.
So how's your role different than Sayed's?
I have been mostly work on the rotary transformer design, because it's the important part of the wireless power transfer system that is required for X-ROTOR, because we have a rotating body that generates power and should be transferred to the stationary the tower of the turbine.
Now, was it in your discussion yesterday? Forgive me if I misremembered this, but there was some question about the air gap, right, between the one rotating body and one. Can you tell me the significance of that? I mean, there was a difference there between 5 millimeters and 100 millimeters. What difference does it make? I mean,
for wireless power transfer, usually the air gap is larger.
Okay.
Because one application of wireless power transfer is for high-speed and electric vehicle charging, wireless charging system. But in this project, the X-ROTOR, the air gap would be very small, because the mechanical consideration allow us to have such a low or such a small air gap. But the air gap would be increased, but there would be some other consideration and some requirements to be considered in the system design or for the operation and characteristics of the system.
Okay. So yeah, what do you find to be most interesting about the X-ROTOR project? What's something that you take away that you learned about as far as this concept goes, and that you were surprised by?
I was surprised by designing a new concept of wind turbine. it was very interesting for me to deliver something new. Maybe we can change the path of renewable energies. Yeah, it was very interesting for me.
Okay. And Reza, yourself, what did you find that kind of shocked you? Because it is an unusual design. When I first saw it, I was like, that's like, right? And now I'm really interested in it. I think it could solve some problems. So, is there anything specific that jumps out at you?
I think it's interesting because this project covers different aspects of electrical engineering, and for me, it's new challenges and new concepts that I learn more about